up, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rachel. So as seen by the title down below, yes, we'll be in the kitchen today. So anyway guys, I'll be doing a juicy video today. So you all know the usual routine. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload, and most importantly, please remember to watch the ads. Also, I want you all to follow my business page on Instagram, rush_ecommerce. I'll be putting the link in my description. So please, I'm asking you all to go and show me some love, okay? We'll be doing guava, pine and ginger. It's been years upon years I don't eat guava. Worse, make the juice. So we're gonna be doing that today, right? So I did go up at the house, and you know, my cousin father ended up giving me some guava. And you know, me say, you know what, me can make some guava and pine and you know, ginger juice. So yesterday I got the stuffs, which is the pine and the ginger. So we're gonna be making the juice today. So me love guava and pine juice because this is something that is heavy. So it's something that I love. So we're gonna be going in the kitchen now. So let's go. Alright guys, so the mirror we're gonna use make juice. So guava, ginger and pine, right? So make a wash the guava them, wash the ginger, wash the pine, try peel it, and then we start blend up.
Alright guys, I'll wash the guava them, cut them up, then put them aside. Alright guys, so this is the ginger and the guava. So move on to the pine now. Alright guys, so this is the last. I'm gonna leave to blend. And I'm gonna pour some more time.
Everything for me.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna mix this now. So I'm going some sugar. Now that this is well thick. Going with a little bit more, and then there should be some good amount of ginger is in here. Everything is just the right amount. So then also Zoe can get the juice out of this to drink. I don't know if Chloe ever want to drink that. Most majority of the time when we make juice, Chloe she don't want to drink it. Sure that drink tongue. Yeah. So there we have it, oil thick. You can taste it now. Alright, this is just the right amount of sugar. So I'm going to just put this on the fridge, and then when we're ready, I pour out the amounts I want. Alright guys, so there we have it, our pineapple, guava, and ginger juice. Very thick, as you all can see. Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to leave a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. So it's a girl Rush, and I am out until another video. Bye.